In this video, we'll explore Spark classification using UnifyML SQL. Specifically, we'll run a support vector machine model using an UnifyML query. Let's see how to apply Spark SVM step by step. To begin, mention your input table name, input columns, and target column to be predicted. If you want to change any column data type, mention it using the input data types parameter. Set the model parameters. Maxiter defines the maximum number of iterations for training. Regparam sets the regularization parameter. Split the dataset into training and test samples by mentioning the training sample size. There are 4 ways to scale the data: binarizer, normalizer, standard scaler, and min-max scaler. For min-max scaler, specify the minimum and maximum values. If you want to use this model for future predictions, save the model. There are additional parameters for Spark SVM, which you can find in the UnifyML documentation. To optimize the model, use hyperparameter tuning. UnifyML supports train validation split and cross-validation. You can configure parameters like number of iterations, regularization parameter, parallelism settings, number of folds for separating training and test sets, and number of partitions. If you want to apply the PCA model, mention the saved PCA model name. For data cleaning, there are 4 methods: remove rows, remove duplicates, remove outliers, and fill missing values. If your data is already cached, use the input cache ID instead of the table name. Once all parameters are set, run the query. This query will execute in the backend of the UnifyML server. The output includes model accuracy, test error, intercept, coefficients, and the saved model name. Now let's see how to make predictions using the train model. Mention the predict input table name and the save model name. If needed, update column data types. For data cleaning, use any of the 4 methods. For scaling, choose from min-max scaler, standard scaler, normalizer, or binarizer. If you want to save the predicted results, you can save them to a database using the Save to DB option. If you need to overwrite an existing table, set the overwrite output table parameter to true. To save the results as a CSV file, use the Save to CSV option and specify the output CSV name. Run the query. This query will execute in the UnifyML server. The output includes input columns and predicted values. Using this approach, you can apply Spark SVM classification to any dataset based on your requirements. Thank you for watching this video.